Hello.
Hi, Mommy.
Hello. Hello. Tony, you want to put it. What is it? Your problem?
Oh, ours.
No, I want to put it. Madam,
Yes, Mommy.
get down. Get off my bed.
Ouch.
Remember, I'm not your friend. Remember, we agreed last night.
Oh.
You forgotten? Okay, that is what is it.
Mommy, we came to sing for you a song.
Please go ahead. It's okay.
Okay.
Whose composition is it?
Aliyah. No, it's already. It's an old song.
By who? You don't know? You just love it?
Mm.
Okay, you stand there.
I don't want to stand.
You want to sing, to sit, to... Okay. You do what you want. It's not in your arrangement. It's weird?
No. Okay. We start.
I'm just supposed to be here.
Okay. Sit here. 1, 2, 3, enter.
We love you.
I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, girl. Just the way you are, girl. Just the way you are, girl.
She's supposed to be here.
So mama wanna go mama.
Version yabaddemu oba?
Let's start.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, let's go. Mama wanna go mama. Start.
Kati version yamwe wedde. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So for how long have you trained this?
Let's go.
For like 5 minutes, then we came.
You guys to say.
Mama?
1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's enter. Stop! I said 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Okay.
You start. I don't know that song.
Okay. Then you
Guys, okay. Okay. I think we shall try again tomorrow.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
But thank you for the thoughts.
It's time.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you. Clap for yourselves.